WTO's Agreement on Agriculture or AOA has been explained in this part. The commitment required from member countries with respect to Agreement on Agriculture are as follows. First one, changes required with respect to market access has two important elements under it. It is, it requires member countries to change or convert all its non-tariff barriers into tariffs, that is, tariffication of non-tariff barriers. And some special safeguards have been allowed under market access by WTO for agricultural products. First one, which is converting of non-tariff barriers into tariffs. As per this provision of AOA, member countries are required to replace all their non-tariff barriers or quantitative restrictions on exports and imports of agriculture products like licensing, import quotas, exchange control measures, etc., with the tariffs or custom duties. It required developed countries to reduce their overall tariffs on an average by 36% within a period of 5 years, and developing countries to reduce their overall tariffs by 24% over a period of 10 years. The least developed countries were not asked to make any changes in their existing tariff lines. The next aspect with respect to market access is special safeguards. It refers to provision under AOA which was made available for all those countries which replaced non-tariff barriers in agriculture trade with tariffs when they agreed upon commitments of Agreement on Agriculture. The commitment which India has undertaken is to bind its tariff on primary goods at 100%, on processed food at 150%, and on edible oil at 300%. The binding tariffs, kindly remember, are also the ceiling tariffs. Once the commitment has been undertaken, India, under any circumstances, cannot charge tariffs higher than what has been committed under this provision. In case it has to do so for a particular reason, it can be done only after prior negotiation and agreement with the affected trading partners. The second provision is with respect to minimum level for imports of agriculture products. The Agreement on Agriculture required all its member countries to import a minimum of 5% of agricultural imports as a share of their domestic consumption, which means if domestic consumption of all the agricultural products is 100 kg, then minimum 5 kg of agricultural products had to be imported. For any reason, if the current imports of agriculture products was less than 5% of domestic consumption, then a minimum access opportunity had to be granted to the other members under most favored nation clause of WTO, and the deficit in the present imports and the required imports had to be met. There is one sub-clause under this provision, and that is tariff rate quotas. Tariff rate quotas were introduced to ensure current and minimum access of agricultural imports. If the minimum level of 5% of imports were not met, then the application duty was required to be lower than the binding tariffs. It means for any reason, if suppose the requirement of 5% of the minimum imports of agriculture products cannot be met, then the member countries were required to reduce their existing tariffs so as to ensure the imports increases and 5% clause is met. The next major provision under AOA is about domestic support. A key objective of AOA has been to reduce the extent of domestic support available to agriculture sector across the globe, while at the same time providing the scope for governments to design a domestic agriculture policy considering the country's specific and sector specific issues and circumstances. The reduction commitment under this clause are termed as total aggregate measurement of support. It included all product specific support and non-product specific support. Product specific support refers to total level of support for individual agricultural products. For example, minimum support price policy in India is an example of product specific supports which are given by government to farmers, while non-product specific support refers to support given by the government to agriculture sector as a whole, like fertilizer or pesticides, subsidies like power subsidy, subsidy on agricultural inputs, etc. India does not provide any product specific support other than procurement prices, and the level of non-product specific support is quite low compared to admissible limits of AOA. Hence, India did not have to make any commitment for reduction under total aggregate measurement of support. Under domestic support clause, WTO defines the expenditures of government which can continue to increase, which needs to be reduced and which can be maintained at the existing level in form of green box, amber box, blue box and developmental measures. So let us try to understand what are the different expenses which are included under green box support. These are measures which are exempted from reduction commitments, which means they can continue at the existing level and if need be can even be increased without any financial limitations under the WTO. In case of developing countries, a special treatment is provided if at all government is building up a food stocks for undertaking food security measures and for subsidizing food prices for urban and rural poor. Green box support measures also include the expenses included or undertaken by the government for research and development of agricultural sector, for provision of training to the farmers, for undertaking any kind of measures to improve the environmental sustainability, to reduce global warming, etc. The expenses under Amber Box refers to all domestic support measures which are considered to be distorting trade and hence required to be reduced if not eliminated. This includes any direct monetary support if was being given by the government to farmers. Blue Box includes direct payment related to production limiting programs, which means these are the kind of crops which for which the production cannot be increased depending on market demand. Either the reason for that is maybe they are health hazardous or they might lead to extinction of certain species. For example, crops like ganja may be limited considering the health hazardous impact of such crop, but the production is allowed because it also has a medicinal value and it is required to be used in pharmaceutical industries. The last one is developmental measures. These are special and differential treatment given to developing countries includes direct or indirect assistance provided to encourage the development of agriculture and rural areas and are integral part of development programs for developing countries. The last aspect of agriculture, agreement on agriculture, speaks about export subsidies and export reductions. The commitment under this clause included reduction of export subsidies in terms of money spent on subsidizing exports and the quantity of agriculture products subsidized. India did not take any reduction commitment under this category as such subsidies are virtually non-existing in India. The export profits are exempted from the income tax under the section 80 HSC, but this exemption is not listed in the to be reduced provision of AOA, and hence India did not have to take any commitment. With respect to export restrictions meaning countries deliberately reduce the exports many a time with the intention of reducing the supply in the world market, which enables them to increase the prices. And hence, WTO acts strictly on unnecessary export restrictions which might happen. The only exemptions include the AOA requires net exporting countries which are considering export restrictions on foodstuffs to consider the impact of such decision on the food security of the importing countries. Developed countries are expected to notify to WTO committee before introducing such export restrictions on foodstuff, as such move would reduce global supply in agriculture products, thus increasing prices of the same and adversely impacting import countries. And hence, the permission of restricting imports would be granted only when the countries trying to adopt this measure for any reason has experienced a huge shortage of that product in the domestic market.